Hello from another beautiful beach in Porto region. This is Praia da Pedras Brancas, and beautiful long sandy beach and out on the beautiful Atlantic Ocean as well. We have some waves, strong waves today. I have experienced them earlier at Praia do Fundão. They are very extreme actually. They don't look like that, but when you get into the wave pulls you back in, and then if you end up on some kind of big rock, then you're gone. So yeah, it's 12:30 p.m. right now, and I'm checking the beaches here along the Porto coast. And right now I am at yet another beach, the 5th for today already, and the temperature has risen so quickly. So at 9 a.m. when I did the first beach adventure, actually 10, it was 16 degrees Celsius, and now it is 21, so it was rapidly warmer and warmer. So now I feel that it's super warm and nice, but in the sea it is 13.7 based on the internet resources I found. But yeah, I'm really happy to be enjoying on the 2nd of February beach adventures in Portugal for the winter. It's amazing. I'm gonna let you now enjoy a bit more of the scene, how it is. Look at that beautiful color of the waves that it's creating. Yes, the waves are strong, but it's so satisfying to watch them. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Woo, look at that one. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, now comes the big one. You see how strong it is? It can bring you in very quickly if you are not paying attention. Here comes another one, very strong! Look at that. Woohoo! I think those were set like batch of strong waves. Now I think there are a bit more ones. Ooh, who am I kidding? They are still strong. Okay, I think I'm gonna dive in right now as yes, I got carried away by the wave. Oh my god. That was so fast. So the wave, yes. I'm not sure if that was caught on the camera, but I was afraid also for my GoPro not to end on the sand and on some rocks, but it was quite an experience. Quite an experience. Oh. Wow, amazing. All right, that's a wrap then from this amazing yet dangerous beach. If you see big waves like this is today. So it was so fun to explore along the waves. The waves are so strong, believe me. They're so strong, they're like bringing you back in if you are not cautious. So the swim here should be very cautious, and you're an experienced swimmer also as well. So that's a wrap. Thanks a lot for watching. From this is Praia at Pedras Brancas, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!